ladies, Sarah here from Central Sales, coming to you from our virtual showroom for our 2020 open house. Wanted to go over something new that we're doing this year. It is a row unit repair kit for your white planter. You're going to want a couple of these on hand going into the planting season because you never know what's going to happen, and we're going to give you a really good deal too. So let's go over what's in the kit. You're going to get 2 disc openers, a drive chain, an inside scraper, 2 dust caps, a tickler brush, an air cutoff brush, and a set of outside scrapers. And I priced this out for an 8000 series planter, and our list price is $199.34. With our open house discounts, you're gonna get this kit for $175.79. And if you buy a second kit, we're gonna give you another 5% off. So you could take this kit home for $169.36. Visit our virtual showroom, click on this link to find out more, and then give us a call. Get prepared for the upcoming season. That's it.